Hello, this is Opinion Radar and welcome back to the channel. If you're into skincare or just love little moments of at-home pampering, today's video is going to be right up your alley. I've been diving deep into one of those products that sounds super simple but promises big vibes, the Amconsure Facial Steamer. Now, I'll be real with you, I didn't think something this small and affordable could make a real difference, but after putting it to the test, I'm seriously rethinking my whole routine. Price at just $25, it's not flashy, but it might just be the skincare upgrade you didn't know you needed. In this review, I'm walking you through everything from unboxing to real-life use, the little quirks, and even how it stacks up during a full facial at home. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's see if this tiny steamer is truly worth the hype. Okay, so I've been using the Amconsure Facial Steamer for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's become one of those little self-care things I look forward to. I know at-home facial steamers can be a bit mess sometimes. Either they don't produce enough steam or they take forever to heat up, but this one, it heats up crazy fast. Like within 30 seconds, you've got the soft, warm mist rolling out. I love using it before I do my weekly clay mask because it really helps open up my pores. I can actually feel my skin relaxing, which sounds kind of weird, but you know what I mean? It's like everything just loosens up and gets ready to absorb the good stuff. The nano ionic mist feels really gentle on my face, not harsh or drying, which I was worried about since I have sensitive skin. And for just $25, it feels like such a win for anyone wanting a mini spa moment without draining their wallet. One thing I really appreciate is how compact and simple the steamer is. It doesn't take up much space on my bathroom counter. Actually, I just toss in my skincare basket when I'm not using it, and it's super easy to carry around if I want to use it in the bedroom or even while I'm watching my favorite show. The design is sleek and pretty neutral, so it doesn't clash with any decor. Filling the water tank is easy enough. But here's the real talk. The reservoir is kind of small. If you're like me and like to steam for 12 to 15 minutes, you're going to have to pause halfway to refill. It's not a disaster, but it does break the vibe a little when you're trying to be all zen. That said, it's a small trade-off for how lightweight and portable it is. Plus, the steamer shuts off automatically when it runs out of water, so no worries about it overheating or damaging the device. The steam quality is definitely a highlight most of the time. On days when it's working perfectly, the mist is steady and covers my whole face evenly, which feels amazing, especially during dry winter months. I've noticed my skin looks brighter and feels way cleaner after a session, almost like I just came from a facial appointment. My breakouts have been less frequent too, probably because the steam is helping clear out all that gunk clogging my pores. I also use it before extractions. Yes, I do that, don't judge. And it makes the whole process way less painful and messy. But I'll be honest, there have been 1 or 2 times when the steam was really light, almost like a faint puff, and I thought maybe it was broken. It eventually kicked in, so I think it might just depend on how it's positioned or if there's a tiny air bubble or something. Still, those moments were rare, and overall it's been reliable. A little surprise I didn't expect: the bonus 5-piece stainless steel extraction kit. I wasn't even looking for that, but came with a package, and honestly, it's super handy. It's basic, but the tools feel sturdy and easy to clean, and having them right there makes doing a full facial routine so much more convenient. I sanitize them with alcohol, use the steamer first, then gently tackle any blackheads. It's satisfying in a way that homemade skincare remedies just aren't. Also, I think the heat level is something to pay attention to. It gets pretty hot. Not in a bad way, but you definitely need to keep a safe distance from your face. I started by holding it about 8 inches away, and that felt just right. One time I got too close and got a little splash of hot water on my cheek. Not dangerous, but enough to make me go, yikes. So, yeah, just stay mindful of that. I've recommended this to a few friends who are looking for something affordable but effective, and every time I tell them, if you're patient with the water tank size and careful with the heat, it's a total game changer. It's not super luxurious or full of high-tech features, but it does exactly what it promises. And for under $30, I'm not asking for bells and whistles. I love that it gives me that spa-like experience without having to book an appointment or spend $100. Even my roommate, who's super skeptical about skincare gadgets, tried it and said, "Okay, I get it now." That's how I knew it was legit. It's also been awesome during allergy season. The warm steam really helps clear out my sinuses, which is an unexpected but much appreciated bonus. Of course, like any product, it's not perfect. Besides the small tank and occasional light steam, I do wish the power cord was a little longer. It's not super short, but if your outlet isn't close to your mirror or seating area, you might need an extension. I ended up rearranging my bathroom setup just so I could comfortably use it while sitting on the edge of the tub. And while most of the time it works great, I can see how someone might get a dud, like that one time it took forever to start. I think it might just need a solid initial setup or priming. But overall, I'd buy this again in a heartbeat. It's brought so much more intention and care into my routine, and honestly, that feels worth every penny. If you're on the fence, just go for it. Your skin will thank you. If your skin could speak, it'd definitely be begging for a steamer like this, and maybe telling you to hit that like button too. Don't let your skincare routine stay steamless. Subscribe for more glow-getting tips, and let's turn up the radiance together, one misty moment at a time.